The more stem cells you have in your bloodstream, the better and longer life you will live. Hi, I am Christian Drapeau. I am a stem cell scientist, and I help people live longer and better lives. Simply put, stem cells are the body's repair system. Just like you have an immune system, you have a repair system that is essential for your survival. When I published my book, Cracking the Stem Cell Code, which described all the natural role of stem cells in the body, I soon got a phone call from a Harvard professor in traditional Chinese medicine. And she was telling me how she was surprised reading the book because the description that I was providing for embryonic stem cells and adult stem cells were almost identical to what she was referring to as primordial Jing and postnatal Jing, something that existed in ancient Chinese medicine. So I asked her, what are the herbs that are supporting the Jing? And she said, Foti stimulates the Jing and goji berry circulate the Jing. We went into the lab, we tested Foti and goji berry, and we found that Foti triggers the release of stem cells from the bone marrow, and goji berry makes stem cells migrate into tissues. I find it absolutely amazing that several thousand years ago, Chinese medicine had already put terms to describe stem cells. They didn't know that they were stem cells, but they were calling it embryonic stem cells, primordial Jing, and adult stem cells, postnatal Jing, essentially the vital force of your body. Here are a few things that you can start doing to support your stem cells. Make sure you do regularly, relatively intense physical activity. Make sure you sleep well, you control your stress. Every month or two, try to have 3 days fasting. Try to have anti-inflammatory food. And then by doing all of this, you're going to support the natural role of stem cells in your body.